science teacher, and she represents the circle of life, the meaning you really. Okay? One can sit there. Wait.
Good thing.
The circle of life with you.
Of course. This is my mom. We live all together.
While we are going to the forest, something that makes you from the nature, make you smile, is your favorite color.
Aber nicht als Palme. Palme.
More meaningful, and after they did the same as is the
Ich brauche noch mal ein bisschen mehr Grün.
ja.
Beautiful that in nature.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course.
Yes.
Hey.
Because
It's
natural
a
therapy
very,
by
it's my
personal.
feelings and
Yes.
your family, to your
Yes.
friends, to your enemy,
Yes. Of yourself and without judging yourself.